Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download WhatsApp application on your PC or laptops. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser of your preference and then in the URL box type in whatsapp.com/download and search. You will then end up in the official site for WhatsApp with the downloadable link provided to you. Go to the top right corner and click the download button and you will then be able to download the WhatsApp installer. Click on open file once done and then wait for a couple of minutes. Once the process is completed, you will see that you have successfully downloaded the WhatsApp app on your desktops or laptops. Click on get started and then go ahead and set up your WhatsApp on your computer. Scan this QR code as mentioned on the instruction on the left hand side and you will then be able to get inside your WhatsApp. So that's how you easily download and install WhatsApp on your PC or laptops. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.